Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share our Samsung Family Hub French door refrigerator with ice maker. It has fingerprint resistant stainless steel quality with Energy Star. I also want to share how I organized inside. It's been 2 years we were using this fridge and we love it. It not only adds a beauty in the kitchen, it also functionality wise it's very great. So let's see what are the specialties in this fridge. In the family hub, we have the gallery to display the digital photos and videos, whiteboard for writing the notes that draw pictures. We have the calendar, memos, and to dos, and we use the timer in this one. And we have the fridge manager to control the temperature, and trivia to play the games on the screen. We have the weather widget to get the forecast in our area, and we have the internet, and we have so many other apps like Pinterest and Skyscanner and Uber Rideshare. I like the feature of this fridge to capture the beauty of the nature while synchronizing the weather outside with the weather widget option. This fridge is a black stainless steel fingerprint resistant finish. This is a great quality of the fridge. Every day this is touched by everybody many times. But because of this quality, it always looks clean and shiny. Ring app, we can see, hear, and speak with the people at your door in the bigger screen of your fridge. You can view the contents of the fridge with the inside fridge option.
Hey Bixby, what's the time now?
It's 9:21 p.m.
With the water ice dispenser, we have three options here. We can take the chilled water, cubed ice, and crushed ice, which is so convenient. See the items inside the fridge. We can also see from anywhere and search the recipes based on what we have on hand. I want to keep fridge surface plain. I don't want to put any stickers on it. I just kept this small shivlinga. It is so beautiful with lot of stones and very small size. So I kept only this one. Before organizing the food items, I want to show you the empty racks of the fridge, and this is an adjustable shelf. We can keep the larger or tall items here, and these are the baskets for the fruits and vegetables, and this is the cool select pantry, and we have the extra storage on the left side of the door and right side of the door. By keeping the liners in the fridge, it is so easy to clean when there is a spill. This transparent one is from IKEA. On top shelf of the fridge, I kept extra milk bottles. It usually stack on each other, and it is on the back side of the fridge, and we can keep any extra items before these milk bottles. Whenever they get over, we will take one of them and then we use it. This is a transparent basket with a divider to store the chilies and ginger and curry leaves for everyday use. These are the Rubbermaid produce savers. If we keep strawberries inside them, they will stay fresh for a longer time. Because of the condensation is happening inside, they will stay fresh for longer time. There is a filter in the lid and it works as a fresh vent technology, so the air flows, so the produce will stay longer. I always try to keep the leftover food or any food in the fridge in the transparent glass containers so that it is visible and we can finish them off easily. And this is the curd I usually make in the steel bowls. These type of sleek transparent organizers are useful to keep the small items together, like the yogurt. Now I have more yogurt cups, so I kept on this organizer. I store the vegetables in the transparent covers in these vegetable baskets. Whenever I chop the vegetables that take longer time to cut them, like beans, I store them in these glass containers in the fridge. I want to keep very minimal items in the fridge like fruits and vegetables, milk and yogurt and idli dosa batter and little bit of leftover food. The right side of the fridge door I kept the milk cans for easy access daily and kept some ketchups and sauces juices here in the upper rack. Same way I kept some creams, ranches and sauces on the left side of the door. These racks are small because there is an external water and ice dispenser outside of the fridge. This is the cool select pantry. We have an extra storage here. I kept the ready-made rotis and naans and ginger here. We can sort out the fruits and cheese trays and we can keep it here. I just want to show the items in the freezer. This is the mixed vegetable bag from the Costco and this is also one more vegetable medley bag. This can be used in a vegetable fried rice or upma or any other cooking. We can directly take out this packet from the freezer and use them. The ready-made smoothie pack available in the Costco. We just need to add the water or milk and blend them. So our smoothie will be ready. So I kept them in the freezer. This type of ready-made dinners are available in the Costco or any stores like paratas, samosas, noodles and they will be useful on these tired days. So I keep them in the freezer. Let's see how I organize these items in the freezer. On the top rack, I kept the frequently accessed items. On the left side, I kept the desserts and ice creams. And on the right side, I kept the butter, peas, frozen peas, and paneer pieces, and also shredded coconut. These these are all the items. They'll be easy to grab from here. In the bottom rack, there is a divider. On the right side, I kept all the vegetables, frozen vegetables, and smoothie packs. On the left side, there is so many frozen items to eat as a dinners. So this way, I kept all the items here. Hope this video will be helpful for someone who wants to purchase a new fridge or who wants to know about the Samsung Family Hub features and how to organize inside the fridge. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click a like and share it with your friends. Bye.